Oh, not even time to count. We're live. It's Sam, it's Nico, it's the Martin Fowler Scrum. Sigu, still not well. Me not perfectly well. A lot of snow here in the UK actually. But
Nice.
characteristically, is it snowed where you are, Nico?
No, no. I think that the month ago, we had some snow, but right now it's just little snow that it melts in the floor. So yeah.
All right. Yeah, so I see you've got your hat on again, so I assume it was getting colder there.
Yeah.
Good stuff. But yeah, well, let's do our Scrum. Yeah, I don't know. I have this. Maybe I should just be like resting thoroughly. Like my temperature is all down, and I'm kind of, basically I can do like little bits of work, but then I get tired very quickly. A bit silly. But this morning, what have I done? I reviewed I helped review a pull request for SHF. I, what's the other thing? Spent a lot of time for the MyNote boat project trying to work out the kind of like a plan and the budget for them going forward, which I said I'd get to them for Friday. Yesterday evening I did a load of invoicing for them and lots of other things that we need to get paid for Agile Ventures. And I kind of updated the MyNote boat so that it works better for the screen size for PJ. So that's all good progress. I've finished the monthly report for the Agile Ventures trustees, and got that off. And we've got a trustee meeting tomorrow, trying to welcome on board a new trustee. So yeah, lots of admin stuff. Say again, Nico.
What are the trustees?
So in the UK, for a charity, if you want to have a registered charity, you have to have a board of trustees. It's kind of like a board of directors in
okay. Get it.
Yeah. And so I used to be the chair of the board of trustees, but I stepped down, and now we have to elect, or get new people on and stuff. We've got Musa is here as well. Hey, Musa.
Hi there.
But so I just got again the same error for just taking the things live, and I've actually caught the stack trace this time, and it looks like there's kind of an argument error in the sending this in the Slack service, which is funny because the Slack message comes through, but not sure. Anyway, so that's that. And then so what we've got the marketing meeting coming up. I've got pairing with gosh, who have I got pairing with? I've got pairing with Nick later on today. Yeah, and that's, what is it, Wednesday? Yep, and then probably try an NHS meeting. So just trying to get little rests and things in between. A good pairing session yesterday with Praveen and so on. There we go. Got Crafty and Sigu and Gertie have all joined us. Welcome, everyone. We're going through our usual checks. Nico, how are things going with you?
Fine. Yesterday, I was thinking about the website one upgrade to Rise 5, and I said, okay, why Mercury was failing. So I had to know. So I tried to do the upgrade to Rise 5, and I started seeing why Mercury was failing. I did some minor changes to Mercury in a fork, and I got it working. Obviously, with the Rise 5 upgrade, a lot of other things break. So what I'm doing now is just an upgrade to the tests that are failing, and I reduced the amount of tests that are failing to 5. I described some of the issues that I think that we have in the channel, and yeah, it is working. I don't know if it's worth the yeah, maybe it is not going to be merged, but the idea of this is that anyone that maybe wants to upgrade to Rise 5, it will have all the stuff that it done in order to fix the problems that may arise when they are trying to upgrade to Rise 5. So yep, cool. Yep.
All right, so that's a kind of one blocker. Any other plans?
Not yet.
No.
No.
Oh, good stuff. So then I think Musa was in first. Musa, did you want to give us a report? Don't have to if you don't want to. And Musa, Crafty, Gertie, and Sigur are all muted at the moment. Anybody who wants to give a report can unmute and say hi. And hey, Musa.
Okay.
How's it going?
Yeah.
Okay. It has been fine, actually. So this is my report today. We've been in some mob session in the morning. Yeah, we learned about variables. Yeah, after that we did some code was child one, and also after that I was working on a blocker. I'm stuck there for some having a pop-up. Let me say you have a button for sign up in your home, but instead of another page, you want the module to appear on the home page. So yeah, in a race application. So I've been having that problem. So I think I'll need some help from you. Yeah, to work on that. And also I was also having I was working on an issue. I think Sigu had the issue at that.
Okay, well, thank you, Musa. Unfortunately, your audio is not wonderful. So I think what I heard you say was, yeah, you've been working on things. There was a thing with a pop-up that you were blocked on and you might need some help with, but it's difficult to hear the details because your audio is very poor. So I'm not sure that we can help you in the Hangout. But if it's a problem with a particular project like local support, maybe you can type out the questions in the Slack chat. We can help you there. Yeah, unfortunately, your audio not great at the moment. I don't know how well you can hear us, but thanks, Musa. Crafty, Gertie, Sigu, anybody else want to say hello or tell us about what you're doing?
Okay.
Hi, guys.
Hi, Gertie. How are you doing?
Hello.
I'm good. Can you hear me well?
We can hear you very clearly, yes.
All right. So I'm still working on tests. Seems like I'm taking forever working on Cucumber tests, but I'm learning. I still have an open issue on volunteer opportunities. That's there's some fields that I added, the role description and stuff like that. Those are the tests that I'm still working on. Right. I've just realized that I have a blocker that I am taking too long on the tests because I quite don't know how to link the step definition files and the feature files. I'm having a problem with that, but I will pair with Sigo if he doesn't mind and work on it maybe later on.
Sure.
Yeah.
That's cool. We could. I mean, if do the tests that you're working on? What I was just going to say is always, even if it's not finished, feel free to put the pull request in.
Okay.
And just indicate that it's I'm still working on this, and then potentially people can help you in the pull request, because often it's quite at least for me, if I can see the code that people are working on, which is very easy to see in a pull request, then it's easy to say, oh, this. Things don't have to be perfect or finished in order to put the pull request in. It's perfectly fine.
All right, so I'll put it in work in progress.
Yeah, great.
Okay, thank you.
Excellent. Well done, Gertie. Good. So yeah, on another occasion, I'd say bring up the code now and we'll look at it together. But I'm still not very well. So yeah, and if you're going to pair with Sigu, Sigu, Crafty, anything to add? I know Sigu's not very well.
Hi guys.
Hi Crafty. Hiya.
Yes, I'm fine. So today my report was I was working on a blog. I wanted to write about classes and methods.
Oh yeah.
Though I was writing in Python, I will share the link on general.
Oh, please do.
On the general. Yeah, and blockers maybe time. Yeah, nothing much. I was quite sick, but at least now I feel well.
Well, good. Glad to hear that. Yeah, do share links to the blog. Share it in the Tech Talk channel.
Tech Talk. Okay.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Cool. Excellent. Oh, glad to hear you're feeling better, Crafty. Good stuff.
Okay.
And Sigur, you want to? I know if you're not well, no problem. We'll just wrap up. But if you want to say hi, that's good.
No, I can give a quick report. All right. So I'd planned in the morning to do some mob session and discuss about how to reopen classes in Ruby and redefine methods in them, what instance variables are, and possibly talk about initializers. But we didn't manage to go through to the end because some of those we were discussing with had not read to that part. So we left like around 30 minutes for the other members to catch up with that. Then later on the code we solved a problem, 7Q problem. I don't know if it's called Q or KYU problem. It was a bit, it's Q.
Yeah, from Japanese. Q from Japanese, meaning level.
Oh, so it's a level 7. So for this week, this is the first level 7 that we're doing. It was a bit challenging, and we managed to get it through, and all the tests passed. Everything was okay. Then I'm supposed to come up with a spike for a private project for a client. So it's going to be a progressive web app. Yeah, so that's what I'm waiting for the client requirements. Then I can have a progressive web app spike for him.
Great stuff.
Then what else? The other plan was to have social media accounts for the code school that are already set up to this point. The other plan that I had was to have contents for Git and Terminal for the code school ready, but not yet done due to the blocker, which is the health. It's not that great.
Sorry to hear that.
So and some good news. I got a contract on Upwork. It's a job that it's paying $37 per hour, but Upwork is taking something, so I'm getting like $29 per hour for that. Yeah, so I might be done in like 5 hours. Everything must be done. Yeah, so I'll be spreading it out in the next 3 to 5 days so that I can be done with that. Yeah,
and that's some coding work as well, is it?
Yeah, it's actually styling. It's more of a CSS thing. It's a Foundation 6.4.
Right. All right.
Yeah.
Good stuff.
Yep.
Great.
That's my report.
Excellent. Thanks.
Oh, and Getty was requesting a pair for the steps. I'll be available for that immediately after this for like 30 minutes or so, if that's possible. I'll also help Musa look at the model, the Bootstrap model. That's not working for him.
Okay.
Yeah,
so Musa is working on local support, is he?
The project he's talking about is not really on local support, but he usually works on local support. Yeah.
Yeah. Cool. No worries. No, I just couldn't hear from the audio. Great. Yep. Okay. Well, that's our Scrum then. Thanks, everyone. I know Nico is blocked. The thing you were describing, Nico, for you, I know that's that API testing thing. That was Michael was the one who kind of worked on that and got that all fixed. So he might have some input on it. That's a sort of tricky one to work through. I did read through it, and it's not immediately obvious to me what change we like. Getting the headers to work perfectly is kind of necessary for the API tests. So
yeah.
I don't know if anybody has anything else. I guess while we're here, I think the Rails 5 upgrade, if it can take place, that's fantastic in terms of moving the project forward. I think ultimately there are various reasons we want to move away from Mercury, but I think we would love to be on Rails 5. So
Yeah.
well done.
Yeah, that is the
Through it.
thing. Once you are in Res 5, you are not blocked anymore, and you can get rid of Mercury anyways. So
yeah, Mercury can be removed at any given time. Yes, I mean, it's an interesting question for the project about which are the highest priorities. But yeah, it would be nice to be on Rails 5. Definitely, really well done. Grinding through those different issues. I mean, yeah, I think probably on another day I would say let's look at it together now, but probably I should have a bit of a rest and get ready for the marketing meeting. So yeah, look forward to seeing you all a bit later in the day.
bye bye.
Bye for now. Take care.